I have so many new products to share with you all. For those of you that watch my channel, you know that this past month I haven't been on here as much because work has been so busy. So that means I have a pile of makeup sitting here. Now I buy 95% of my products, but recently I've had more brands reaching out wanting to send me products to show you all. And on that note, let's go ahead and play with all these new products. I'll let you guys know what I bought with my hard-earned money and what has been sent to me. All right, everyone, let's get started. First product is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. I got the color Cherry Blossom Cake. Now I've heard a lot of really great things about this powder. All the hype on it is legit. I'm not a makeup artist that likes to bake under the eyes, which means you just let the powder sit there and warm up and then you buff off the excess. I find it looks very drying. It can be very aging, so I don't do it on myself or clients, but this powder is one that I actually do bake with, and it's because it's so light. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. Now feel free to skip the whole baking process. You can just do a little bit underneath. I'm going to do two different looks right now to show you guys the baking process and then just a little bit of powder with a brush. This is just a must, especially for you makeup artists out there. Soft, brightening, doesn't settle, cannot recommend it enough. It's beautiful on set, great for brides, and for those who like an everyday brightening loose powder that doesn't settle into deeper set lines or fine lines, you guys are gonna love this. Next is brushes. This is by My Kit Co. And these are designed by a makeup artist named James Malloy. I love his products because it's very much geared towards makeup artists as well as makeup lovers. But if you guys want really great tools and accessories, I highly recommend checking his brand out. I will link it down below. I got these at Beautylish. Now I'm going to show you the 4 brushes that I got, but I'm going to end up adding more because I already love these so much. Let's start with the My Lash Groomer. This is fantastic for coating the bottom lashes, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Then I'm going to get into my thin liner. Love how small this is. It's got a great point, will give me a perfectly sharp line. And then I'll try on the My Fluffy Concealer brush, which is going to be great for buffing and smoothing concealer on the face and around the eyes. And this one I just used with the Huda powder, and this is the My Perfect powder brush. Let's go ahead and play with these and see how they work. Oh my goodness, it is so nice to use tools that work so effectively. Trust me, you guys, save yourself time by investing a little more in your brushes, and your makeup will look so much better, and it will cut down the time that it takes to apply that perfect look that you're going for, whatever the look may be. And whether you use luxury or you use drugstore budget friendly makeup, your tools make such a difference. I am in love with every single one of these brushes. Overall, so happy that I got these. Cannot wait to get more. And when I do, of course, I'll share here on my YouTube channel. I have the Makeup Forever Up and Down Tan 604 on my cheeks right now. I love this, especially for summer. These are multi-purpose sticks. You can use them on eyes, lips, and cheeks. And for those of you who live in humid areas or sweat a lot or have oily skin, these are great because they are a drier formula. And when you blend them onto the skin, they stick really well. That said, we're going to play with some blush now. I got a new NARS blush and I got two new Dior Forever Glow Maximizers. I got the pink and I got the Pearly. I own the others as well. I've already done a video on these. I use these consistently. I want to show you guys today a light version of a glazing technique, and then I'm going to do a whole other video showing you guys how to use these all over the face mixed with the Charlotte Tilbury, a really pretty everyday slash editorial slash wedding vibe. You guys are going to love how the skin looks. It's definitely one of those showstoppers. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the two new ones I got today with the NARS blush. Let's go ahead and play. Oh, and before I forget, if you guys want to see what these look like in action, I already did a video using these two, and this is the bronze and the rosy. By the way, the rosy I use all the time on set and on brides because it gives the most beautiful flush. If you go to the video, I'll link it down below. You'll see exactly what I mean. The glow, right, from those Dior Maximizers are insanely good. They are beautiful when photographed. I love that they're light catching. For those of you who are in their regal years asking yourself, is it too shimmery? Is it gonna settle on my texture tree, fine lines, deeper set lines? No, if you go in with just a little bit, and as you saw, I used a specific brush that is stippled. The brush hairs aren't very thick as they move up, they're tapered. And I lightly move it across the face so that it thins it out. It's kind of a glazing technique. So you're just lightly washing these light reflective pigments across the skin. Let's talk about the NARS blushes now. I have not been a fan for quite a while, and I actually worked for the company, and I remember telling a colleague how I just did not like how dry the formula was. And so when the new blushes came out, let's turn it around, I was really excited to try these. Now, are they softer? Yes. They're talc free. They still have the 16-hour wear. And so these are beautiful, but were too dry, and now they are better, but to me, they're still a bit dry. I don't really notice a huge difference, so I love the color story. I do like the products. I just wish it was a little bit more hydrating. The next video, I'll show you guys the Danessa Merrick's The Groundwork Blooming Palette. This looks so fun. Haven't swatched it yet. So tempted, but I'm holding out to show you guys. I have some NARS products. I have some Dior still. I got a collection of Isom lip products and their new lip liners. I have a bunch of products to try by Swede. I also have a bunch of PTR to share with you guys. I also have a bunch of new hair products. I love Kevin Murphy, so I bought a bunch of his products. Some R & Co, So keep an eye out for all that. I'm going to try to keep up with all these videos this month. Please be patient with me. I do work full time as a makeup artist, so this is my second job, which I absolutely love both, but they both require a lot of my attention. So thank you for your patience and for supporting my channel. I deeply appreciate it. On that note, if you guys would like to support Cherie Voyage, you like what you're seeing here on my channel, whether it be artistry, education, entertainment, go ahead and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and do not forget to go ahead and use the affiliate links down below. When you guys shop with my affiliate links or with any creator's affiliate links that you guys are absolutely loving, it helps us to continue to do our channels. Next, if you guys haven't had enough, you can head to TikTok or to Instagram, where I show you sneak peeks of up and coming newness and a little bit of behind the scenes of what I do as a makeup artist. And if you want to book me for a one-on-one artistry education lesson, you could head to cherievoyage.com. All right, everybody. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. As always, continue to be kind. Take care of you. Take care of each other. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.